Alright, this is the return of the Sig Sauer McX. We sent it in for repair back to Sig Sauer, brand new gun, and right here on this part right here, if it shows up, this is the feed ramp, and right here where the U was, there was a crack in the old feed ramp. The old feed ramp, I believe, had an A on it, and this one here has a U on it. So I don't know if it's a new design or exactly a different maker. I believe that's a MIM part. And so there you have it. New feed ramp without the crack, coming back from Sig Sauer. There's the stock and the lower. I don't believe that they changed anything there. And then the other part that had a defect on it was the handguard. I believe it was right here. Had a paint defect. These handguards, you can see on the handguards that, like right here, I don't know what it is. Those are like spotted all over it. There's another one right there. There's another one right there. I'm not real sure what that is, but it's there. I think there's more on the other side. Probably the biggest thing that, concerns me on this is the fact that on the inside of the handguard, oh, there's another one of these little, right there. I don't know what those are. See on the end, it looks like this is supposed to be a brand new handguard. Looks like there's another one of those little black marks right there. But probably the most concerning is on the inside of this handguard. I don't know if it's going to show up on video. So that side looks clean, but this side here, looks like somebody touched it up. Like they got the can of touch-out paint out, and right in this area here, you can see there's some kind of divot there, and then right here the paint was scratched off, and they tried to touch it up. I don't know what that is. A little bit disappointing. You would think that, it's being sent back for repairs, that they would kind of make sure everything is 100%. And this is like 90% here, I guess. So, coming back from Sig Sauer, they fixed the cracked part. They replaced that. The handguard was supposed to be, it had a paint defect on it. Now, I don't know, it's on the inside. A little bit disappointing. I mean, Sig could have done better. There's the end. Not real sure why you see a shiny spot on it. It's supposed to be a brand new part. Maybe they got a batch of stuff that is kind of new. Who knows? But that's how it came back from Sig Sauer. Alright. Brand new gun. I've never shot it. Arrived initially the feed ramp there where the U is had a crack in it. The old one was an A. They replaced that. They changed the handguard. I think that they might have a bin of basically used parts. And they just, you know, supply with used parts. And go, here you go. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I suppose I could write them again and say, you know, you're supposed to give me a brand new handguard. And you pulled one out of the used part bin. So again, if we can give a close-up of that. I'm not real sure. It looks like I don't know what I don't want to speculate. Whatever it is, doesn't appear to be like a brand new part should come. The other thing I noticed is right here on one of the cutouts. Again, I'm not sure that's how a brand new part is supposed to look, but there you have it. All right, maybe I will send this video to Sig Sauer and ask him what's up. Thanks for watching.